Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with MrDan. Today we're going to make chicken sausage. Okay, now the chicken that I'm using is basically breast meat trimmings that all the times I buy chicken on sale. I trim off the fat and, extra meat, whatever. But that's what it's from. I didn't, this is reusing something I bought for something else. Okay, that's what it is. So anyway, we're going to make it with a little heat, and then Penny wants sausage and spinach and crumbled feta mixed in. So we're going to give that a whirl. All right, let's go to it. Okay, so here you see I got my trusty old KitchenAid. I just took out of the freezer the integral part of the whole process, which is the grinder. You can see it's got a little icing on it. In the back there's a chopped spinach. Next to that is some bacon fat. There's your feta cheese. Here is your chicken fat, and this is like 4 pounds of chicken trimmings that I cleaned up again. Okay, let's give it a whirl. Okay, first I'm gonna set this up. Take the grinder. Inside here there's a gear, a worm that pushes all the meat forward, passes a blade, gets pushed through the plate. And this here isn't that, this is a nice little thing for grinding up the meat. It's for a home part, home chefs, home people want to make their own, but it's not made for doing large quantities because it doesn't go as fast. I don't mind because I don't have nothing else to do lately. Okay, so we get that. Give it a little test. Okay, see? So, I'm going to set this up over here like this. And I'm going to feed it from this side, and it'll come out that side and hopefully go right into that bucket right there, see? Now this meat, I put it in the freezer for about almost 2 hours, so it's kind of, you want everything cold. It works better that way. So anyway, we're just going to grind this up, and as you can see, it's coming out already. Ideally, you want to, alternate, put some meat in with then the fat. But this is going to be good. At least you know what goes in here, you know what I'm saying? So, hopefully, it doesn't take so long. But anyway, I'm going to start putting in some of the fat now. This is still chicken, but after I get done with this batch, I'm going to... Oh, yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to throw in some chicken fat. And I'm trying to get this like 80-20, somewhere in there. You gotta have fat, doesn't matter. Now you see the difference in the color, that's the fat. So, almost kind of froze here, you know. But that's what makes it. If you have frozen product going in, it grinds it a lot easier. It doesn't jam up the gears or nothing, see? All right, I'm gonna let you guys take a break from the grinding noise, and when I get done grinding this, we'll be back. Yeah, I was so into grinding, I forgot to turn it back on. I've already ground it the first time, and this is my second grind. If you'll notice, I put a smaller plate on to get this a little more finer. But at any rate, I'm going to do this, and then after that, we're going to spice it up, put it in the mixer, and let the mixer do the mixing for a while. Then I'll do some by hand, and then we'll be ready to stuff. But as you can see, it's coming out nice. It's nice and small. I have one other blade I could use, but I don't want to go that small. It'd be like minced meat. I mean, really minced meat. But it took me about 7 minutes to do the first grind, and that was 6 pounds between the fat and the turkey. I mean the chicken, turkey. I wanted to do an apple flavor because I always see that in the store. Plus, we've gotten that before, but Penny wanted to try this one. We also did this once before too. This spinach and feta. It tasted good. But like, you know, you guys should know me by now. If you don't, maybe you're new to the channel, but I like hitting it on the spicy side. So, but this is how we're doing it. And anyway, we'll be back. I don't want to keep you guys tied up watching me grind. As you can see, I got my scale out. It came out to 5.5 pounds, okay? I'm gonna just plop this on here real quick. You guys can get a gander at that. Came out to 6.5 with the container. So without the container, minus that, it came to 5.5. So we're gonna get ready to season her up, and next we'll be hitting the stuffer. Okay, I'm just showing you here, we have natural sheep casings, and these are packed in gritty salt, so we're going to rinse these out, and I'm going to show you what we do. Okay, so I got a bowl of water here. There's my sheep casing from inside the bag. If you guys could feel this, you'd say, God, how do you even mess with this? But it's all, that's how they preserve it. They use salt. And the thing is impregnated with the salt. I mean, it's all over. So what we do is we take them and I soak them in a bowl. See, there's the end of it. So that's one end right here, see? That's the end. So we just keep untangling this mess until we find the other end. Well, you'll find it. I will work a little at it, but you'll find it. It's in there. That's what I like getting a nice long casing, because you can do a lot of sausage at one time, without having to keep taking a break and add another thing. So there you go. That's how long it is right here. Oops, sorry. Oh. See, look. Ooh. And so then I just gently soak it in the water. Or when I'm not gonna mess with it. Now see, this here got tangled up a little, so I'm going to try to untangle it, which I have. Okay, and then we're going to leave one end draped over the side like that. Okay, that way you can find it easy when you go to take it out. And we're going to put another one on. I'm going to try to get 3 lengths like this. That's it. I think that'll be enough to cover my sausage. It's tangled on both ends there, see? But we'll get it. Got that in free. And this in free. This one wasn't as long as the other one. But, okay, so you get the idea. And you'll notice these things have an aroma to them. But anyway, they're sheep intestines. What do you expect? All right. Hold on. Boom. Okay, as you can see, we have the aid of the kitchen aid helping us to mix this up. We mixed it up in 2 batches. This is one, and this is the other one. We're going to a total of 5.5 pounds. We put some hot flakes in there, some salt and pepper, a little bit of cayenne pepper, the seasoning packet for the sausage mix, and we have some feta and some spinach, and we're going to mix all this together. Now when that's done, put it back in a big bowl, mix it with my hand a little bit, and then we'll be ready to stuff some sausages. We'll be back. Okay. Anyway, I started to, I was going to let you guys come in earlier, but I started stuffing the sausage. I got excited. The taste test we did with the patties, which we always do when we make the mix, make sure everything got just the right amount of spice to it. The taste of that is like gangbusters. The cheese, the parsley, the spices we put in there, we got a little bit extra heat. So now, like I said, I'm just stuffing up the sausage, and it's coming out perfect. Now we're gonna get a lot of links out of this one. There it is. I just popped it. Me talking stuff that got stuck, I popped it. So, but that's what I got this little bowl for. So we can make some more patties. But anyway, this is our version of nice, tasty chicken sausage. And like Elmo says, don't forget to wear your mask. Don't chew with your mouth full. Wash your hands. And until next time, my friends, stay hungry. Give us a like. Share with your friends. Hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell. Until next time, we are out.